Eweche mag ohala nyakoro mga jatenda piny Kenya William Ruto yango ni Afrika dwaro omenda mabalang mondo mi ochop lek mare maloso teko stima kendo duoko piny iro malilo kor lwasi gi atamalo 80. Kano webwa ma Berlin piny German jatend piny no lero ni mondo Afrika onyal bedo gi teko stima maromo ji te e lek mare mar Vision 2030 nyaka koro pinje Afrika chop dwaro mag pinje jowagunda ma ok owegi oko nikech pogruok mag yore mag ohala.
Aus Wasser, mitten in der Wüste. Als ich Anfang diesen Monats dort war, die Lebensgrundlage genommen. Bestände sind mittlerweile ausgestorben. Prozent der CO2-Emissionen des Landes.
Africa needs the right type, amount of investment capital to become the green industrial powerhouse of the world. Renewable energy investment and associated infrastructure is almost all upfront capex. With the right level of investment, Africa can provide energy success for all by 2030 while reducing total emissions related to energy generation by approximately 80%. Africa should position to serve European demand for products and services and not to be locked out through trade barriers. The carbon border adjustment mechanism to be introduced by the EU should engage production from places such as Africa that could offer low embedded emissions produced using renewables.
Kwa piny Germany